The physician order feature lets you create templates for procedures, diagnosis codes, patient education resources, plan notes, and instructions. This streamlines documentation and helps providers complete visit notes faster with greater accuracy. Click on Manage Office, navigate to Visit Settings, and then select Physician Order. To add a physician order, click Add New. Enter the name and description, and enable or disable using mode. Then, add the diagnosis code, procedure code, plan notes, and plan instructions. You can also add patient educational resources. Once completed, click Save. Next, go to the Visit Note section. Click on the physician order icon. Select or use the search option to find the specific physician order. You can then view the details of the physician order. To add the information to the visit note, click on Populate. This will automatically fill in the diagnosis codes, procedure codes, plan notes, and instructions in the corresponding sections of the visit note.